Good evening, Karthik, and welcome to the Retail Jeweler YouTube channel. It's great to have you with us. Khanna Jewelers has been a legacy natural diamond jeweler for many generations, and you are one of the largest diamond jewelers of the country, the natural diamond jewelers of the country. So, where do you see the natural diamond jewelry business going this main season?
I feel this year has seen a lot of ups and downs already, but I feel coming time the natural diamond market or the demand should see a good soar because people are trying to go out, purchase for their own health, satisfaction for their own self. So I feel buying natural diamond kind of is a very important, it gives you a big satisfaction. It's a big gift for yourself when people buy. So I feel the market is going to become better. It's going to I feel it's on a positive side.
Finally, Karthik, this natural diamond jewelry is being worn across segments from the millennial to the generations which have grown with natural diamond jewelry over the last 2 or 3 decades. So you see in wedding jewelry, the wedding segment, how big will be the natural diamond jewelry?
I feel कि जो हमारी country है यहाँ पर I feel कि wedding is a big market when it comes to natural diamond business. And I think with the coming time, how जैसे जितना intimate हो जा रहा है affair of weddings is becoming smaller in these times. So I feel कि लोग जो है natural diamond jewelry का demand बढ़ेगा ही because this is something that people want to buy for themselves, keep for generations. It's something that people want to invest in. People want to put in their money. So I feel कि wedding market and even millennials, when it comes to natural diamonds, I feel the new generation is also trying to they also understand the fact by investing in something natural is more something which is for a long term vision rather than getting something else.
और ये आपको लगता है कि जो पैंडेमिक अभी जो चल रहा है और जो ये साल के 6 महीने हो चुके हैं, तो ये पैंडेमिक से नेचुरल डायमंड इंडस्ट्री या नेचुरल डायमंड ज्वेलरी को ज्यादा एडवांटेज मिला है, लोगों को ज्यादा भरोसा है अब नेचुरल डायमंड ज्वेलरी के तरफ?
समझ जी, पैंडेमिक में एक चीज तो लोगों ने रियलाइज करी है दैट पीपल शुड इन्वेस्ट ऑन देमसेल्फ, which जिसके अंदर I feel buying natural diamond jewelry also has a big share of that investment. People have realized कि all part of all the materialistic things that there are, इसके अंदर अपनी खुशी के लिए जो चीजें इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं, जिसके अंदर obviously also which holds value and holds emotions also, because buying diamond jewelry is always connected to some moments of your life, some times of your life. So I think it has pushed people to realize that this is a good product to spend on.
How has been the collaboration with Natural Diamond Council for you?
It's sending a good positive message. We are getting a good positive response from the clients, making more awareness how important it is to invest into natural diamonds. So yeah, it's been going very good till now. We're getting a very positive vibe from the whole campaign.
So I believe you have. I just saw the film as well. Which is the film with Angelique, the lady who wore the natural diamonds of yours, and also the Vogue story which Natural Diamond Council did with your pieces. So in these two, one was a film, one was a print collaboration. How do you see it working for you in terms of your marketing objectives?
With Natural Diamond Council is actually targeting the right medium, the right clientele that we want to focus on through social media and other channels. The campaign is appealing to the younger generation, to the newer generation. The way it speaks about, how it's speaking about moments, about life. So I feel it's something that's creating a little more attraction towards new jewelry for the new entering market as well. The new buyer. Natural Diamond Council is doing a great job in creating desires for natural diamonds in India, and I love their new website and social media approach. It's to targeting almost all sectors of the society. So yeah, they're doing a great job.
Thank you very much, Karthik, for your lovely words and very encouraging thoughts for natural diamond jewelry.